Hello, I'm Burt Furnace, your host. We're here at the Randy Ranch, gonna talk with world champion Randy from Reno. I think that's him right over there feeding his horses. Randy. Hello, how are you? We understand you're getting ready for the big race. What does your training look like?
Well, I wouldn't really say there's a whole lot of training. I mean, I've just been doing a lot of preparations on my, my celebrations. I mean, people don't show up to watch me win because they know I'm going to win. So they're like, what is Randy going to do after he wins? Like, that's the big question.
After petting his horses, Randy spends at least 1 hour every day preparing himself for his championship win. Let's take a look and see how it goes. He's got the hooligan title belt. He falls off the back of the bike, ghost rides the bike, and is running around giving everybody the number one. Sprinkler. He's sprinkling the crowd with ones. The number one surfer. 3 years into the future, practicing his future win on an electric motorcycle.
I am number one.
Ahoy, hola, shalom, konnichiwa, ni hao, and lastly, hello America. I'm your host, Burt Furnace, and I'll be taking you on a journey through the One Motorcycle Show, where we'll experience over 90 different motorcycle builders from over 110 different countries. There'll be a flat track race with 90 different riders from one country, racing for the glory.
Sit right back and I'll tell the tale of a righteous man and his life in hell.
The show covers 60,000 square feet of space with over 200 custom-built motorcycles. They're stuffed into every corner. It's almost hard to walk through here sometimes. Oh, son of a... Is this the right size tool for the job? I don't know. So you flew in all the way from Germany.
That's right.
And where did you put your motorcycle?
In the check-in luggage of the plane.
Are you enjoying the show?
I'm loving the show. I've come a long way and it's been worth every mile.
Did you take the Harley-Davidson jet ski bike out front?
I did not.
So here's the front axle, and if you look back on the bike, it's spanning a good 30 feet. Half Cadillac, half Harley-Davidson, a third Ratfink, a 16th, some metal that he found in his shop. It's actually the bike that inspired the movie Tron. It's meant to go in one direction at 90-degree angles. How you ride this, I couldn't guess. If you show up on this bike, you're definitely taking home somebody right here. That's one thing I do know. We've got here an angry monkey. It looks like he was riding far. He's probably pissed off because he needs to take a pee. That's what I would guess. Oh! Ow! Move the cord. Jeez. Wow, that was interesting. Funny enough, I got to meet one of our top builders. And here's the story. We're here at Art of Bike Studios. We're here to speak with Bolin, master bike builder and owner. This is an actual bike building taking place right as we speak. As you can see, he's working the grinders. He's making them dance. So Bolin, what are some of the key aspects of your builds? It looks like he's actually grinding his answer back at us. Can you believe that, folks? Shall we go see more? We're here at the back of the event for indoor electric minibike racing. Rumor has it somebody lost an arm last night. We still haven't found the recipient. We've only found the arm. Holy crap! I had an interesting conversation with one of our racers. Shall we have a look? Here we are live at Willie Masters, self-proclaimed champion racer for hooligan racing. So tell us about this hooligan racing.
First off, if you want to ride a hooligan class, you have to know some form of jiu-jitsu or karate.
Flag drops, you're going into the corner one. What's Willie thinking about?
The checkered flag, that's it. Or if I'm not thinking of the checkered flag, I'm thinking, what did I have for breakfast this morning? Did I have a Hams beer or did I have one of them Newcastles? And it's like, I probably had a Hams, you know. I got a Kawasaki now, okay? You know, you guys want a fair fight, you got one.
Is it on fire?
Not a tire, it's a bike.
Well, it's good to catch up with you. Good luck out there. We gotta go. You know I got into a fight with a dog last week.
I'm coming for you. Can't hold me down. Come on, the lady light, shining up and down.
To thank my mom for saying don't ride motorcycles.
So what is this all about?
Well, this is just kind of physical conditioning training exercises I do. I mean, I'm always dodging lappers, so I use these devices to practice dodging lappers when I'm lapping people. You know, don't let the size fool you. This guy is an animal, you know. Just last week, my buddy comes out and he shattered his legs on him.
Both legs?
Both legs, shattered both legs. It's just dust.
And that, my friends, is the life of a champion. Looks like he's really punishing that second place trophy. Oh, got me. I'm out.
You know, the mindset is just all about being number one.